Hello. Good evening, Sammy. Where are you?
Very well.
What happened?
Sleeping.
Oh, sleeping. Don't sleep too much. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So good evening to all. Turn on your camera. Ritika, Amar, Ansh, Sammy, Ansh. Good evening. Turn on your camera, please. Quickly. We'll start
Sir,
the class. Yeah.
sir, my camera would be off because I'm using another screen.
Okay. 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 No problem. Okay. So shall I give a call to Godwin? Sure. Guys, so now you guys tell me, do you have any doubt regarding the chapters or the questions that I gave?
No.
No doubt, Amar, worksheet किया
वर्कशीट के मैंने कोऑर्डिनेट्स के किए थे।
और हुआ?
हाँ, कोऑर्डिनेट्स के हो गए। मतलब
ओके
ज्यादा तो
सैम,
नहीं कर पाया मैं, टाइम नहीं था इतना एक दिन।
कोई नहीं किया ना, मतलब आपने फाइव
हाँ
सेवन
हाँ
क्वेश्चन 10 क्वेश्चन तो किए होंगे कम से कम।
हाँ।
हाँ, गीतिका आपने किए क्वेश्चंस?
Yes, sir.
ओके, और सैमी आपने?
हाँ सर, ये ना
ओके, कोई डाउट नहीं है
एपी
बेटा?
एपी की वर्कशीट के बोल रहे हो ना?
दोनों एपी एंड कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री।
हाँ, अभी एपी की वर्कशीट के किया है, डाउट तो नहीं आया है अभी। आपको मैं बताता हूँ कल तक सारे डाउट इकट्ठा करके।
ओके ओके ओके। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर गॉडविन। अगर गॉडविन जुड़ते हैं, नहीं तो फिर हम ट्राइंगल चैप्टर कर सकते हैं वापस, और गीतिका को रेस्ट दे सकते हैं।
ओके सर।
मुझे बस गॉडविन का पता करना है, गॉडविन जुड़ रहे हैं कि नहीं जुड़ रहे, क्योंकि उनका वेडनेसडे को एग्जाम है और हमें एसिड बेसन सॉल्व करना है। आप लोग बताओ क्या करना है, एसिड बेसन सॉल्व करना है चैप्टर या फिर ये करना है ट्राइंगल?
ट्रायंगल 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 सर प्लीज।
ओके, वही गॉडविन पे डिपेंडेंट है, अगर गॉडविन नहीं जोड़ते तो हम ट्राइंगल चैप्टर कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। अंश, स्कूल में क्या क्या हो गया बेटा अंश?
सर स्कूल में तो हमारा 8 चैप्टर चल रहा है।
8?
हाँ सर।
और ट्राइंगल्स हो गए ना?
ट्रायंगल्स हो गया।
ट्राइंगल्स हो गए, तो अभी आपने कौन कौन चैप्टर अच्छे से खुद में किए?
सर
हाँ।
अच्छे से तो सर फर्स्ट हुआ हुआ है, थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ, और सेवेंथ।
हाँ, ये अच्छे से किए
मैथ।
रखे, ये आपको आते हैं, मतलब आपको मैं आपको वर्कशीट भेजू अलग अलग की, तो आप कर
हाँ
सकते हो उसके।
हाँ।
जी, आरडी से भी किए, सिर्फ बुक की किया आपने?
आरडी से सर कराते तो वो कर लेता हूँ, स्कूल में कराते सर।
वो ऐसा वाला किया है कि द सम ऑफ mth टर्म इज n
हाँ
and
हाँ,
nth टर्म ऑफ
वो किया।
m, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस
हाँ
आए?
हाँ।
ओके ओके, तो अभी कितना मार्क्स है अभी पीरियोडिक में?
25 30 में से।
30 में से 25। ओके ओके, तो एक काम करते हैं, वही वेट करना पड़ेगा, क्या करें। ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, अभी आगे के 15 मिनट मैं एसिड बेस एंड सॉल्ट पढ़ा देता हूँ, अगर नहीं जुड़ते तो पूरा फिर मैथ्स ले लूंगा, ठीक है? और फिर कृतिका भी लीव कर सकते क्लास को, क्योंकि उनको काम है। ठीक है कृतिका, विल इट बी फाइन नो?
Okay.
Okay. So everyone, take out your science copy and turn on your camera. Amar, Sammy, turn on your camera, please. Ansh, aap bhi turn on your camera. So we are doing chapter number 2, acid, base, and salt. Acid, base, and salt. So of course we will learn about acid. Ansh, uh, are you able to see it on the board? Ansh?
यस सर।
Okay, perfect. So if you didn't understand, you can ask me anytime, okay? And first and second thing, turn on your camera. If you're ready for the camera, then turn on your camera, please. Okay? Perfect, perfect. Okay, so we have acid, base, and salt. In this chapter, we are going to learn about acid and then base and then salt. So these three things we're gonna cover: acid, base, and salt. Okay. So what do you mean by acid? So acids are basically, there are some property. First is sour in taste. Okay, sour means in Hindi it is called as khatata. Okay, in Malayalam it is called as puri. Puri. Okay, and if I will talk about more, then acid basically gives blue litmus paper, blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. So for learning, you can write it down that red means danger, acid is a danger. So converting blue litmus paper into red litmus paper, only acid can do. Did you understand, guys? Do you have any issue? Hmm? And
No, sir.
and anything that starts from H, okay, generally I'm saying anything that starts from H, like HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, okay, yeah, H2SO3. So these all are acidic because they have H. Why? Why they are acidic? Because in water, in water,
Sir,
they, yes,
I can explain from starting.
yeah, I just started here only. I'll tell you. Just give me a second. They releases
Yes.
H plus ions. H plus ions means they have H, no? Can you see this? They have H. So these H plus ions acid releases. That is why they are called as acidic. Did you understand, guys? Write it down quickly. Quickly write down. Yes. Now for the Godwin, we are talking about acid. Acid are basically sour in taste. Sour means puri. Malayalam puri. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like anything that you are eating and it is sour in taste. Okay. Like imli, no? You know imli. Terminate. Terminate. What is that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tamarind.
Tamarind.
Tamarind. Tamarind. That is acidic in nature. Anything like lemon. If you will taste lemon, then it is very sour. So that is called as acidic in nature. Oranges, acidic in nature. Any citric food, acidic in nature. Now, it converts blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. Did you understand, guys? Okay, blue litmus paper into red litmus paper like HCl, HNO3. These all are acidic because they have H in front of it. Why they have H in front of it? Because they convert they releases H plus ions. This is an important factor. You can underline this and write it down. H plus ions. Ansh, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay. Now, if I will talk about base, base are basically bitter in taste, bitter in taste. Bitter means in English it is called as kadwa. In Malayalam, I don't know. Okay. And it converts red litmus paper, means ulta. Red litmus paper, red litmus paper into blue litmus paper. Okay, red litmus paper into blue litmus paper. And the third one is they have OH in the back, like NaOH. CaOH whole twice 2. MgOH whole twice 2. AlOH whole twice 3. So these all are basic in nature because they have what? OH in the back. Are you getting my point? Say yes or no, Amar? So they have OH,
Yeah.
that is why they are called as basic. Did you understand? Okay. And generally, salt. Salt. Okay, we'll talk about salt later. We'll talk about the salt. Did you understand, guys? Quickly write it down. Ansh, quickly write it down. Done writing? Vesika? Done writing? Godwin?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no. Godwin, how was your test today? Was it good? Network issue? Okay. Next part. Next part is now write the chemical properties of acid. Write a heading. Chemical properties of acid. Godwin, can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello, Godwin. Can you hear me? Network issue.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear now. So, how was your test? Was it good?
Yes, sir. Compared to last time, it was easy. The five
It was
marker
easy.
ones were actually tricky. Somehow
Okay.
adjusted.
So, it is expected that you will get good marks?
Yes.
Okay. And like in science class, in science test, we'll try to
Uh,
cover up this chapter acid, base, and salt in these
uh,
2 days. I
yes.
know that it won't be completed full, but as many as questions, as many as topic that we are able to complete, then we can complete it. Okay.
Sir, can you explain the base?
Base is bitter in taste. Bitter. So tell me that you ate and it is bitter in taste. Sometimes cucumber. When you will eat
Hmm.
cucumber, sometimes it is very bitter or karela. What is bitter gourd? Bitter
Hmm.
gourd is of course bitter in taste. So because they have base in it, that is why.
Okay, sir.
And it converts red litmus paper into blue. And wherever there is a OH behind, it is called as basic. Did you understand, Ansh? No.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay. Now write
Sir,
chemical properties of acid, and the first topic is reaction with metals. Now everyone, when I am teaching this, don't write anything. Why I'm saying this? Because I am giving you the trick to learn all this reaction. And the trick is very easy, but you have to pay full attention on the board. Okay? Reaction with metals. Simple concept. Now, listen, please pay attention. Whenever a acid reacts with metal, it will always give metal salt. It will always give metal salt plus hydrogen gas solution. It will always give metal salt plus hydrogen gas solution. This is very simple basic concept which I am trying to say, that whenever whenever acid react with metal, it will always give metal salt plus hydrogen gas will release. Now I am telling you the mechanism, simple mechanism. Please pay attention. Okay. For example, for example, if I will take HCl, this is acid because H is there. Did you understand? And I am reacting this HCl with which metal? Zinc metal. With zinc. Zinc is a metal. Okay. Now what will happen? That this zinc will react with this Cl. Did you understand? No. This zinc will react with this acid. It's gonna
Sir,
be
please
look like.
explain it one more thing.
Yes, I will explain this again. See, whenever an acid react with metal, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen gas release. Simple as that. Okay.
Yes.
Now we know that this is acid and this is base. Acid and metal are reacting. Sorry, this is acid. This is metal. Acid and metal reacting. Which gas will release? Hydrogen gas will release. That is fixed. Did you understand? Now, how will you make a salt? This is the main thing. How will you learn the salt? So nothing to learn. Simple as that. That zinc will react with chlorine. Zinc will react with chlorine. Now, you cannot write ZnCl. Zn. What is the valency of Zn? Zinc valency is 2. What is the valency of chlorine? Chlorine valency is 1. If you will cross multiply it, you will get ZnCl.
Cl Z C सर
Hmm.
ZnCl लेकिन वो क्लोरीन की वैलेंस 1 होती है और Zn की 2 होती है ना, तो
Yeah, in
ZnCl
English.
2 होगा.
So that's why I wrote ZnCl, you know.
अरे सर सॉरी फोन छोटा पड़ गया, दिख नहीं रहा.
Did you understand? So it will become ZnCl. So this is the reaction we did. Did you understand, Ansh? No. We'll take one more example. Okay. Who will help me? Sammy will help me. Sammy, for example, H2SO4 plus Na. So what will happen? One fixed gas will be there. What is the fixed gas? H2 gas.
H2
H2 gas is fixed.
and
Done.
SA
And what will happen?
SO4 and Na will
Na and
react together.
SO4 will
SO4
react.
and Na will react.
So now tell me the valency of Na. Ansh, do you know what is the valency of Na? Sodium.
1
sir, two.
No, sodium is 1.
1 plus
You guys have to learn this. I'll send you this picture. That picture you have to learn it, okay? Na valency is 1 and SO4 valency is 2.
2.
Okay? Now you have to do cross multiplication. So what will become? Tell me.
Na2SO4, Na2SO4.
Na2SO4. So you will get this reaction. Did you understand how to solve these reactions? Amma didn't understand. Kritika, did you understand?
Yes,
नहीं समझ गया.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how will they ask this question? They will ask, okay, this is a real incident which I want to share with you guys. What happened? That uh, there is a lemon juice. Okay, we basically what happened in my house, we used to buy a lemon when we know that the lemon season is going off in bulk. Okay, because we know that lemon season will go off, and if lemon season go off, then it will the rate will high. So what we did that we I think 5 kgs lemon we ordered. So what we did, we just squeeze it and take out all the juice of the lemon. Now, what mistake we did? We put that lemon juice in a copper vessel. We put that lemon juice in a copper vessel, and now the lemon juice is destroyed. Can you give me the reason why?
Sir, reacted the copper.
Sir,
Reaction of
because metals and base chemicalized and reacted to form
Reaction of acid
different
plus
substances.
metal.
yeah, reaction of like lemon juice is acidic in nature,
Uh,
and copper juice is copper vessel is
metal.
metal. So we got the
Metal.
salt. And if you will drink that juice which is in the lemon, which is in copper vessel, then you will have a food poisoning. They can ask you these types of questions. Okay, write it down. These types of question. Why the curd are not? Write it down. This question. Why the curd are not stored in? Why the curd are not stored in any metal vessel? Why the curd means the
सर
dahi,
कर्ड में एसिड मैलिक एसिड होता है या लैक्टोज एसिड होता है
lactic,
Lactic.
Lac-
LACTIC, lactic acid. So why the curds are not stored in metal vessel? Because curd has lactic acid, it react with metal, give us salt, which is when you will consume it you will have a food poison. Did you understand? Ansh, turn on your camera beta. Yes. Yes.
Sir, we generally store curd in
Not metal. No, that is steel.
steel.
Yeah, it is made up of steel. It is not, if you will storing in metal, then you are consuming the fault salt. Are you getting this? No.
सर स्टेनलेस स्टील
Stainless steel, that is non-reactive. It is not a metal. Steel is a alloy. Yes, Godwin.
So what did you do after telling that lemon juice got spoiled and putting in that copper? That's it.
Yeah, because the lemon juice is acidic in nature, copper vessel is a metal, they react and they make salt and hydrogen gas release and it is spoiled. Did you understand, Ansh? Are you getting this, Ansh? No.
Sir, after what did you do?
Yes, sir.
After that, I tell you to write one question, and the question is why curd are not stored? Why curd, CURD, curd are not stored? RARER, not
Yes.
NOT, not stored in in
In
in metal vessel. METAL, metal vessel. Why curd are not stored in metal vessel?
yes, sir.
Did you understand, guys? So this is the reaction. So whenever you will write the reaction, don't learn it. Simple as that. I give you the conceptual
the
way to
answer?
write. The answer is curd is acidic in nature. It reacts with the metal vessel to give salt, which spoil the curd. Okay. Now Ansh and Sammy and Amar and Gitika and Godwin, listen to
It
this.
will react.
Which will react with acid to give salt. That salt will spoil the curd. Okay, listen to this, guys. What I'm trying to say, don't learn the reaction. We are just getting the reaction from the metal itself. For example, take any acid or any metal. Tell me, any acid, any metal.
सर HNO3 with copper
HNO3. HNO3 with copper.
with copper
Simple. Simple, very good. So now what will happen? H2 gas is fixed, which will at the side it will increase, and
You and no three.
Cu and NO3 they will react. Now
Okay.
Cu has a valency of 2, NO3 has a valency of 1. You guys have to learn that. So you have to cross multiply this. So it will become CuNO3 whole twice 2. Simple.
Sir, so that H will be same for everything. That H2.
Yeah, H2 will be same for everyone. Okay, just make the reaction out of it. अंश समझ में आया बेटा क्या किया मैंने
Sir,
यहाँ
what's
पे
the arrow mark on top of the
हाँ
H2?
सर
बोलो say it again Godwin.
Sir, what's the arrow mark like after H2?
H2 arrow means it is called as evaluation. Means the gas is arises from the reaction. Means the gas will come out of this reaction. Evolve, we used to say. Did you
Yes.
understand? Amar, Gritika, did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Now, next one. Next one is second part, which is reaction of metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate with S. Now remember this thing, carbonate is CO3 and its valency is -2. You can write it down with that heading. Okay, carbonate is CO3 and the valency is -2. In the same way, hydrogen carbonate, we write HCO3 and the valency is -1. HCO3 and the valency is -1. Did you understand, Ritika, Godwin? Hmm?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes. Carbonate is CO3. We used to write CO3 and -2 is the valence. The valency of carbonate is -2. Okay. And hydrogen carbonate is HCO3 and the valency is -1.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, Amar? Sami?
Uh,
Ansh, did you understand this thing? Godwin?
Yes.
Now, any metal carbonate, you guys tell me. So first, I will tell you the main reaction, and then I will take the example which you guys will tell. Okay. So the what happened whenever whenever a metal carbonate or a metal hydrogen carbonate, same, both have same reaction. Whenever a metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, it gives two things which are fixed, carbon dioxide and water. That is fixed. It will come out in every reaction. Ansh, are you getting this? Metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. When they will react with acid, two things are fixed, carbon dioxide and water. They are fixed. They will come out in every reaction. And metal salt will be there. Metal salt. Are you getting this? Say yes or no. These are the main, or we can say boss reaction. This is the boss reaction. Did you understand? Everyone,
Yes,
Kritika?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you wait for 2 minutes? I have to write.
Yeah, write it down. Quickly write it down. अंश समझ में आ रहा है बेटा अंश अंश मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको बस अंश का नेटवर्क भी इशू कर रहा है
Sir,
या
sir, what kind of reaction is this?
this is whenever like the first part was reaction of acid with metal, and the second part is reaction of metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate with acid.
From means it will always be displacement reaction, right?
Oh, okay, that part is not displacement. We can say redox reaction. Displacement won't be there. That above one is displacement. This one is displacement. This one we can say it is displacement reaction, but the below one, redox reaction we can say. अंश समझ में आया बेटा?
एक बार वापस रिपीट करो ना वो पहले वो
Uh, see, the first reaction. Okay, you did understand this whole thing. Second part.
यस सर
You did understand second part or first part also?
सेकंड वन
Okay, okay. Okay, if your network is not good, you can turn off your camera for today. Try to sit on good place, okay? If your network is not good,
यस सर
then turn off your camera, no problem. Okay, tomorrow you can sit on a good place. Okay. Now the question is, the second is when metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid. So metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate when it reacts with acid, two things are fixed. CO2 and H2O is fixed. Unmute your mic and say yes if you understood. Metal carbonate react with acid, the carbon dioxide and H2O is fixed. They are always there. And metal salt will be there that I am going to tell you how you will make. Did you understand? Ansh, did you understand? Yes. Yes, Godwin. Hello. Tell me.
Can you repeat what you explained just now? Or
Everyone say yes or no.
can you
सर
hear
नेट
me?
गया था, आप वापस बोलो तो क्या बोला आपने?
Yeah. I was saying that whenever metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, two things are fixed, which is CO2 and H2O. Okay, and metal salt will be there. So we'll take one example. Then only you guys will tell me. So take any example. Give me any example. Any metal. Any metal.
आयरन Fe.
Iron. Iron. So we'll take iron. It has valency
2 plus.
2, na? Ferrous iron carbonate.
3.
Let me check. No, iron has 2 valency.
सर एल्यूमिनियम ले लो,
Sir,
उसकी
iron
है
has 3
3.
Yeah.
and 2, sir. 3 plus and 2.
I- Instead of that, we'll take aluminium. That is easy. Aluminium has valency
एल्यूमिनियम
2.
3 है, 3.
And if I will
3.
take aluminium as 3, sorry. Aluminium has valency 3. Carbonate valency is 2. Okay.
2.
So if I will make it, so what you will get? Al2CO3
3.
and 3. Because this 3 will come below the CO3. Did you understand? Amar, Godwin, how will you make the
Yes.
compound?
Yes,
Now,
yes.
I will make any acid, like I will take HCl for example. HCl. Okay. So what will happen? Listen, guys, please. What will happen? This thing will convert into carbon dioxide. This thing will go in H2O part. What will left? Al and Cl.
एल्यूमिनियम एंड
Al,
क्लोरीन.
aluminium and chlorine is left. Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
No,
So what
sir.
is left? Only aluminium and chlorine is left. Because we know that
Al2CO3.
carbon dioxide and water, they are fixed. They are fixed. So what will remain behind? Only aluminium and chlorine. Aluminium and chlorine. Now, Ansh, what is the valency of aluminium?
सर
Three.
Al2Cl3 होगा.
And what is chlorine?
2.
No, chlorine
One.
has 1. So you have
What?
to do cross multiplication. So it will become what?
AlCl3.
AlCl3 plus 2. We got
L3.
the reaction.
Sir,
Everyone
I didn't
understood?
understand, sir.
What you didn't understand?
The first one, the Al2 and Cl, that part.
So what is the valency of Al3?
3,
What is the valency of CO3? 2.
2.
Now you have to do cross multiplication. So it will
Okay.
become Al2 and the CO3 is there and 3 this 3 will come. So it will like this. Simple as that. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll take aluminium hydroxide. Now aluminium hydrogen carbonate. We'll take aluminium
HCO3.
hydrogen carbonate. So what is Al? Al is aluminium. What is hydrogen carbonate? HCO3. Now what is the valency of aluminium? 3. What is the hydrogen
3,
carbonate valency is 1.
1.
Cross multiply, what will you get?
AlHCO3 bracket 3.
Whole thrice. And plus which acid you will take? H2SO4 for example. Okay. Now we know that two things are fixed. What are the two things that are fixed? Quickly tell me.
CO2H2.
CO2
CO2
and
and H2.
H2O are fixed. Now what is left behind? What is left behind? Aluminium and
Aluminium
sulfate.
and sulfate. हाँ.
Okay. Now what is the valency of aluminium? 3. What is the valency of sulfate? 2. Do the cross multiplication. What will you get? Al2SO4.
CO4.
CO4
Whole bracket
5.
3.
So you got the reaction. How to write it down?
Al2SO4
Now you guys,
thrice.
now you guys can make any reaction. I mean, not the above the course. Just any metal that you know, easy. Take the carbonate, make the reaction. Nobody will do anything wrong. Did you understand, Ansh? Ritika,
Yes, sir.
Godwin?
Yes, sir.
Is it an easy trick? No. Do not learn the reaction. Simple as that. Just read it and just work on it. Did you understand? Write it down quickly. Quickly write it down.
लिख दिया.
Everyone done? Godwin, Ritika, Ansh, done with the writing?
No,
Sir.
sir, not done.
Quickly write it down.
Yes. Done, sir.
Done? Okay.
The
Now,
last part on
okay, okay. I am sending you one valency chart. Okay. I am sending you one valency chart that you have to learn it. It is ninth one that we learn in the ninth. No, that valency chart you have to learn it. If you will get it, yeah, then you can make any reaction. Okay. Amma, turn on your camera. Don't turn it off.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir,
send. Hmm.
sir, there are some values or compounds or elements whose valency table may not written. So please tell us later.
Only one is not written, which is called as barium. Sometimes barium they do. Only that is not written. That is +2.
सर मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट लिखा हुआ है क्या?
हाँ लिखा हुआ है. Check करना. Write it down. Okay. Now, guys, now one question is there that I taught you that if a metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with any acid, it gives carbon dioxide. Perfect. Now, what is the like? If I will tell you to do practically, carbon dioxide is transparent, no? How will you know only carbon dioxide gas is releases? That the gas which is releases from that reaction, it is carbon dioxide. How will you know that?
अरे
So
वो
for
टेस्ट
that, yes, for that we are going to perform test for CO2.
वो
Okay, I am
API
repeating
वाला.
this part. I am repeating this part again. In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas is released. Now, how will you know that the gas which is released is carbon dioxide or not? So we'll do one
Lime
reaction.
water test.
Yes, it is called as lime water test. So put a heading,
Lime water
put a
test.
subheading, test for CO2. Put
I
a
didn't understand. Can you explain it again?
See, listen. That's why I'm saying listen carefully. Carbon dioxide gas is released during the reaction. How will you know that it is a carbon dioxide? So, for that we are going to do one experiment. It is called as test for CO2. This test is also called as lime water test. Listen it carefully, please. Lime water test. Now, don't write anything. I'll first make you understand. Then you guys write it down. Okay.
Sir, what is the another name of lime water?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Just give me a second. Let me draw the diagram. Then I will tell you everything. Oh, okay. Now please pay attention, guys. Guys, please don't write anything. I know some of the network is issues, so please don't write anything behind the camera. And try to fix your network by tomorrow. Okay, please. Now listen. This is called as test for CO2. It is called as lime water test. I'll tell you what is the other names of every compound. Just before that, just listen it. Okay. What I did, I took one acid, any acid like HCl or H2SO4, any acid, no problem, because we know that metal hydrogen carbonate or metal carbonate react with any acid, it will give carbon dioxide. So any acid you can take. Okay. And we take NaHCO3. It is called as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium is valency 1. Hydrogen carbonate has valency 1. Cross multiply, you will get NaHCO2. Did you understand? Say yes or
No,
no?
sir. Please repeat.
सर कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
Oh. So basically, we take NaHCO3. Na valency is 1, HCO3 valency is 1. Cross multiply it, you will get what? NaHCO3. So this is the compound NaHCO3, and we put it into the acid. Now it is metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, which gas will release? Which gas is fixed?
CO2 will release.
So, for example, this gas which is coming out of it, we don't know it is CO2 or not. We just put it into this test tube, and it is now in this test tube which have calcium hydroxide. Now, calcium hydroxide, it is also called as slake
Great line.
lime or lime water or calcium hydroxide. So what happened when this carbon dioxide react with this calcium hydroxide? It gives milky color. Which color, beta? Tell me, tell me, tell me.
Milky.
Milky color. So this is the test for CO2. When carbon dioxide came in the contact with this slake lime, it gives milky color, and when the milky color will come, that CO2 is only evolved in this reaction. Did you understand? So what happened? What happened here? NaHCO3 when react with acid, for example HCl, then we know that CO2 and H2O is fixed, okay, and it gives NaCl. How you will make NaCl? That Na react with this Cl, make NaCl. Na has a valency 1, Cl has a valency 1, cross multiplying it, NaCl. Now this carbon dioxide, when it comes in the contact of CaOH whole twice 2, which is also called as slake lime, it gives CaCO3, which is a what? Milky color. This is a milky color appears because of this compound called as calcium carbonate, and water will be there. अंश समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? अंश
Yes, sir.
पक्का आया समझ में ये वाला?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Now milky color is because of which compound? Because of calcium carbonate. Write it down quickly. Quickly write it down. Ritika, Godwin, did you understand? Amar, Semi,
Exam also they ask this test.
yes. They can, what they can ask? They can ask you that milky color when test of CO2 we are performing, and milky color is formed. So milky color is formed because of which compound? Because of CaCO3. It's called as calcium carbonate. Did you understand?
Sir, can you repeat the answer? I did not.
They can ask you that milky color appearance while performing the test for CO2. Okay. So what is that milky color? Why the milky color is formed? It is because of the forming of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, I got it.
Godwin, Ansh, did you understand?
Sir.
Sir.
अंश समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? नहीं आया तो पूछो मेरे से.
हाँ सर.
क्या नहीं आया?
सर ये तो आ गया, मुझे एक मैथ्स में डाउट है.
मैथ्स में किस में?
सेकंड चैप्टर में.
सेकंड चैप्टर में. तो एक काम करेंगे, कल जब स्टार्टिंग में जुड़ेंगे ना, तो कल मेरा डाउट लेके आना. ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
अभी मेरे को एक साइंस का फ्लो बना हुआ है, तो साइंस को कंप्लीट कर लेता है, और फिर कल जब आप जुड़ेंगे ना, तो जल्दी जुड़ जाना. 40 पे सबको जुड़ते तो आमर तो जुड़ते 5-6-10 मिनट लगाता है एक्स्ट्रा. ठीक है? तब तक तुम जुड़ जाना, तब तक तुम्हारा
Yes,
डाउट.
sir.
ओके डन. नाउ लिसन.
सर नहीं करा सर, आपने कहा था लिखना, मतलब इतने सारा
हाँ
लिखा.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी लिखो फिर. आई एम गिविंग यू 3 minutes more. If you are not getting, please ask me, guys. Amar, Sammy, Gitika. You're getting now?
Yes, sir.
It means that I am a good teacher. Nobody's saying yes or no. No, we'll say.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Ah, okay. Done?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 1 more minute I'll wait. Godwin, tomorrow please try to cover up your network, please. Try to sit any place which have good network so that I can also, like your camera can also be on. Ansh, you also try to sit in that place of the house where you have good network.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gitika is always turn on. Amar,
हाँ
why? What happened?
क्या
Why you're turning off your camera every time?
क्या करूं हो गया
क्या करूँ क्या? सो जाते हो?
तो फिर
मैं मम्मी से बात करता हूँ.
अरे
हमारा की मामी. Okay. Now they can ask you this thing that see carbon dioxide is
हम्म,
coming, and milky appearance is there because of this thing.
हम्म,
But still the carbon dioxide is not stopping. So it means
हम्म,
that now the carbon dioxide is becoming excess amount.
yes
Yes. Now the carbon dioxide is in excess amount. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? I'm repeating
मिलके
Yes,
again
sir.
चला जाता है
that 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 carbon dioxide which is coming from that reaction, it is coming into the solution of CaOH whole twice to milky appearance form. And milky appearance is because of CaCO3
No.
calcium carbonate.
हम्म,
Now, what happens? The carbon dioxide is still
Don't
coming.
write again.
Uh,
Where the CO2 that part first one.
the first one is the same thing that I explained before. The thing is, when carbon dioxide is coming into the clay lime solution, it gives milky appearance because of CaCO3. Simple as that. Now, carbon dioxide gas is still coming, coming. It's still coming, and it becoming excess amount. Excess means like lot of carbon dioxide is there. Then what will happen? This lot of carbon dioxide will react with the calcium carbonate. Lot of carbon dioxide will react with what? Calcium carbonate. Are you with me, guys?
Yes, sir.
And water will also react with them. Water. Then what will happen? This compound will form. Can you tell me what is this compound? Can you name them?
Calcium,
Calcium,
metal,
Hydro.
hydrogen,
hydrogen carbonate.
carbonate. Yes. Calcium, hydrogen, carbonate will form, and water will be there. Calcium hydrogen carbonate when it starts like when it starts forming, then the milky appearance which was there, now the milky appearance, now the milky color disappears. Now the milky color disappears. Okay. So what does this mean? That first it was like a milky color, but now milky color disappears. It becomes transparent again. It become transparent. Before it was transparent, carbon dioxide came, milky color, excess carbon dioxide is coming. That milky color is disappear because of this compound calcium hydrogen.
आप
Did you understand? Vitika, Ansh,
Yes.
Godwin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you understand everyone? Write it down this reaction too. Write it down this reaction too.
Yes, please wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah, quickly write it down. Now write it down with a hashtag mark. Write it down with a hashtag like this. With a hashtag mark, write it down. Milky color appears. Write it down. Milky color appears because of the forming of calcium carbonate. Amar, write it down.
सर क्या
मिल्की
लिखवा रहे हो
कलर,
स्टार्टिंग से बोलो ना सर.
हाँ, हैशटैग करके लिखो with the hashtag point, write it down. Milky color appear, milky color appear because of the forming of calcium carbonate. First point. Then second point, milky color disappear. Milky color disappear because of the formation of calcium hydrogen carbon. Because of the formation of calcium hydrogen carbon. Everyone got this point?
Sir,
Yes.
repeat the point, please.
First point was first or second point? Which
Sir,
point?
sir,
Second.
yeah. It's the forming of calcium color, then
And second point is milky color disappear. This is the second point. Godwin, write it down. Milky
milky color.
color disappear. Milky color disappear due to the formation of calcium hydrogen carbon. Due to the formation of calcium hydrogen carbon.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now,
Sir,
now with uh, now write the names. Heading names. It is not in the part of the chapter. You can make one box, and inside that box you can write names. Some common names that I am going to tell to you. Common. The first one is CaO. CaO. It is also called as quicklime. It is also called as calcium hydroxide. No, calcium oxide. Sorry, calcium. Everyone understood this?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
This is a name, or sometimes it is also called as burnt lime. Burnt lime. This is a name. Book or in your exam, it will come burnt lime. What is a burnt lime? BURNT, burnt lime. That burnt lime is calcium oxide. Okay, turn on your camera, Sammy, Amar. Next one is CaOH whole twice 2. This one is called as calcium hydroxide, or we can say slake lime, or we can say lime water. We can say lime water.
आगे.
Let me think. I mean, let me check. Hydrated lime also, yes. Or we no, not hydrated lime. Lime water, tuna also is there. Baking lime. Or we can say hydrated lime also. Hydrated lime. Hydrated lime means adding of water into the CA. Did you understand? Turn on the camera, please.
Yeah.
Now CaCO3. It is called as calcium carbonate. Then we have, it is also called as limestone. It is called also called as marble.
Sir,
Limestone
marble
and
chips.
marble chalta hai. Like if you are saying marble, then it's fine. And chalk also, yes. In your book there is one example of chalk also, like this. Okay, in Hindi it is called as chuna patla. Okay. Now, some reaction also we will write it down that they have common reaction. So this is not from your topic right now, but these things you should know. That is why I'm giving it to you. We can say the reaction, common reaction between that is when you will add CaOH. No, when you will take CaO, calcium oxide, when it react with water, it will make CaOH whole twice 2. And ex- extreme amount of heat will release. Okay, extreme amount of heat will release. Okay, now just now we learned CaOH whole twice 2. What will you add to get calcium carbonate? What will you add?
क्या
Just
सर?
now we learned. What will you add in calcium hydroxide to get calcium carbonate? Milky appearance. CO. Got it?
Excess CO2.
नहीं.
No. Excess will give calcium hydrogen carbonate. If normal CO2 is there, then we will say calcium carbonate.
Okay.
And if you will heat calcium carbonate in specific condition, you will get CaO plus CO2 gas. So, like from calcium oxide, you can make calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, you can make calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, again, you can make calcium oxide. Did you understand? These
Sir,
are some
I have
common
a
reactions.
doubt in whole
Please.
chemistry.
Hmm.
कि भाई do we have to balance every single equation present in our exam or
Yes. Yes. Every single reaction. Every
every
single.
single reaction balancing it?
Yes. Yes.
सर ये किसका
Did you
एग्जाम्पल
understand?
आपने लिखा है अभी?
Sorry.
सर ये किसका एग्जाम्पल है आपने जो अभी लिखा है?
These are the reaction of like how will you make calcium oxide to calcium hydroxide. Only this only. This is the other topic. Okay, this is not from the same topic, but I'm just showing how will you make calcium oxide to calcium hydroxide to calcium carbonate to again calcium oxide. Then it is a reverse reaction. This is the symbol of heat. Okay, this is a symbol of heat. Okay, now put a heading neutralization reaction. Third part. First part
ठीक
was
है.
reaction of metal with acid. Okay. Yes, Godwin.
Sir,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, I can hear you.
what did you do after CaOH2?
CaOH2 with carbon dioxide. Just now we learned carbon dioxide when react with slake lime, it gives calcium carbonate,
Yes, sir.
the CaCO3, and then when you will heat CaCO3, you will get CaO back again.
There was a triangle on top of that.
It means heat. That means heat.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now write the third part, neutralization reaction quickly. Now everyone please listen. This is very important topic. Listen
Sir,
it
one
carefully.
more doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in CaCO3, that common name, that part, no. What did you
Hmm.
write after limestone?
Marble.
Marble.
Marble. Okay, now everyone listen it carefully, Godwin. Stop writing. I will give you time to write. I will send you this screenshot, no problem. But please listen, okay? First is neutralization reaction. Now, what is neutralization reaction? Whenever, turn on the camera, Sammy. Acid react with base, okay? They will make salt and water, okay? And this salt and water, they are neutral in nature. What is in nature? Neutral. Neutral means it will nor acid nor base. Did you understand, Sammy?
Sir, repeat again,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever acid
Sir,
reacts with base, it will give salt and water. That salt and water are neither acidic nor basic in nature.
Yes.
Neutral in nature.
sir, like I add NaOH to HNO3, then what
NaOH
salt will
plus
be
HNO3. Okay.
HNO3.
So first we'll take easy one, then I will teach you the hard one. Okay.
Okay,
First we'll
sir.
take the easy one. So like HCl plus NaOH. So we know that this H2O is made up of H and OH. Okay. So what will happen? This H2O will fix, and what will remain behind? Na and Cl. So
NaCl.
what? It will become NaCl. How NaCl? Na has a valency 1, Cl has a valency 1, cross multiply NaCl. Did you understand, Ansh? No. अंश समझ में आया? Did you understand? Say yes or no. Okay. अंश आपका आवाज कट रहा है, वापस बोलो बेटा.
Sir, network issue.
Network issue, I know.
Sir,
Okay.
अब मैं दूं?
Now, no. Let me make you understand the mechanism behind it. Mechanism, how it works. So what happens? This H and Cl bond will break, and in this also Na and OH bond will break. I'll repeat it again. What happened in this case? What is the mechanism? How you will get this? That H and Cl bond will break, and Na and OH bond will break, and this H and this OH. This H and OH. So it's gonna be look like this. H plus and OH minus. This H plus and OH minus. Why? Because H is in the front now. So it becomes H plus. OH is in the back. It is OH minus. So this H plus and this OH minus will make H2O. Okay. And the remaining behind is NaCl. So Na plus and Cl minus will make NaCl. Did you understand? So here we
Sir, can
can
you repeat?
conclude. I will repeat it again. Let me just complete this. We can say that this water is made up of H plus ions and OH minus ions. Water is made up of H plus ions releases by the acid, OH minus ions releases by the base. When they react together, they will make water, and remaining elements like Na and Cl, they will react together to make NaCl. Now you ask me now.
I can explain the
Sir,
part again.
I'll explain this. Okay. And Sammy, what's your doubt?
sir, can you like do a chemical reaction of H2SO3 and AlOH whole thrice, aluminum
Will do, will
hydroxide
do.
whole thrice.
Will do. Okay. Anything else? Anybody else doubt? Ansh?
Sir, please repeat.
हाँ ठीक है. Listen. What happened? We have HCl and we have NaOH. Okay. HCl will break into H dash 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 and Cl. Means this H plus and Cl minus, they will break. This is H plus and Cl minus, they will break. In the same way, Na plus and OH minus, they will break. Did you understand? Still in any problem? Hmm? They will break when they react together. Now what will happen? This H plus and OH minus, this is plus and this is negative, plus minus attract. So H plus and OH minus, they will attract and they will make water. Did you understand? And in the same way, Na plus and Cl minus, they will attract together. They make NaCl. Simple. So remember this thing. Water is made up of H plus and OH minus ions. Simple as that. Okay. So from this we can write one statement. Water is made up of H plus and OH minus ions. Did you understand? Sammy,
Yes, sir.
Amar,
As
okay. Did you understand? Write it down this thing now.
Yes.
Write it down. Quickly write it down. Quickly write it down. So Amar, if we have
Uh,
5 H plus ions and 5 OH minus ions, 5 H plus ions and 5 OH minus ions. So
yeah.
how many water molecules will be there? 5.
Right.
Because one H plus and one OH minus will make one water.
Uh,
Did you understand, Ansh? Vitika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
One H
5
plus
H,
and one OH minus.
1 H plus and 1 OH minus, when they will join together, they will make water. One water. So 5 H plus and 5 OH. What will they make?
Hi.
5 water. Now, Ansh, listen. Okay, please pay attention. You guys write it down. Don't read. I mean, don't stop. Just write it down. If Amar, turn on your camera. Sammy, turn on your camera, please. I will ask this question from Gritika. Gritika. Now we have 6 H plus ions and 3 OH minus ions. Or 4. 4 OH minus ions and 6 H plus ions. Okay. So how many molecules of water will be there?
Oh.
4. Are you
Can
getting this,
you repeat?
Gritika? I am repeating this. 6 H plus ions and 4 OH minus ions. How many
Uh,
water will be there?
uh,
4. Because 4 H plus and 4 OH, they will react together.
yes.
Okay. Now, but 2 H plus ions are there. 2 H plus ions are there, no? So the water is there because 4H2O is there. But 2 H plus ions means that water is called as acidic water because it has H plus ions more. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? 4H plus and 4OH minus, they join together to make water. Water is there. But 2H plus ions is still there. And 2H plus ions still there means the water is acidic. Simple as that. Sammy, I'll ask this question from you now. 3 H plus ions and 4 OH minus ions is there. So how many water molecules are there? Can you unmute?
Sir, repeat करो.
3 H plus ions,
Correct.
3
Three,
H
three.
plus
Answer is
ions.
three.
Answer is 3. But one OH minus is extra. One
Yes, sir.
OH minus
So,
is extra, na? So that water is called as what does better water is called as? OH minus is extra. And OH comes from base. No, no.
हाँ.
OH. One OH minus is extra and OH minus comes from base. That water is called as basic water.
हाँ सर
Did you
समझ
understand?
आया. वापस पूछे तो
Yes.
पूछिए.
Okay. As if more acidic ions are there, acidic water. If more basics are there, basic water. Did you understand, Ansh? Vitika, Godwin?
सर, so
Hmm.
potable water जो होता है ड्रिंकिंग वाटर पोर्टेबल वाटर कहते हैं ना, तो what type of water is that?
That
Acidic
is
or
neutral.
basic?
Neutral. Neutral. It depends upon the place to place also. Okay, it's not we can say fields. It depends upon place to place. Okay, sometimes you will feel the water is little kadwa, bitter. Sometimes so that is basic.
Sour or bitter?
Hmm.
So what
Did you
about
understand?
mineral water?
Mineral
Yes.
water is neutral. 7.
सर बेसिक होता है ना वो तो.
No, mineral water. Sometimes see that's what I'm saying. If it has minerals like magnesium, yeah, like in the next class we will learn that. If it has minerals like magnesium or manganese and all these, so that will be the basic, slightly basic. Like 7.7 is the neutral, and 7.1 or
Two.
7.1.2 something will be the basic. Okay, guys, done with the writing. Ansh, समझ में आई आज की क्लास बेटा?
हाँ सर
नहीं आया?
Yes
पक्का
sir,
आया?
yes sir, yes sir.
आया सर
Okay. Amar, Gritika, Godwin, understood? Say yes or no?
हाँ सर आ गया आ गया
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed the class. Till then,
Yes.
bye. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
अंश कल का सेम लिंक है, ठीक है?
ओके सर
मतलब हमेशा के लिए यही लिंक होता है.
हाँ
और अगर कुछ टॉपिक रह जाता है तो हम लाइव स्ट्रीम भी करते हैं. मतलब अभी जैसे कि आज लाइव किया ना मैंने, वैसे ही वो लाइव
हाँ
भी होता है. मान लो कभी तुम एब्सेंट हो तो वो लाइव को भी तुम देख कर उसको वहां से तुम समझ सकते हो. जैसे कि आज कुणाल नहीं आया तो कुणाल वो लाइव वाला सेशन देखेगा.
सर सर